The Depress Brake Pedal to Start engine warning in your Lexus, especially models from the 2010s onward, signals that the car's electronic control unit, or ECU, isn't detecting brake pedal pressure when you attempt to start the engine. This is a crucial safety feature designed to prevent unintended vehicle movement, ensuring the car only starts when the driver is actively controlling the brakes. It's typically not a brake failure, but rather a communication issue between the brake pedal sensor and the ECU. The system cross-checks multiple inputs to confirm safe startup conditions. The main culprits are a faulty brake light switch, which detects pedal position, a weak smart key battery that powers the key fob signal, or ECU integration problems where the computer fails to process the inputs correctly. If the brake pedal sensor isn't working properly, the ECU won't allow startup as a safety measure. Let's troubleshoot the Depress Brake Pedal to Start engine warning step by step. First, ensure your smart key battery is fresh. A weak battery can disrupt the signal, causing the warning. Next, check the brake light switch located near the brake pedal. Inspect the wiring for corrosion or damage. A visual inspection can reveal problems quickly. If equipped, consider using the Lexus app for remote diagnostics, especially on newer hybrid models, which have over-the-air capabilities. If these steps fail, visit a dealer for ECU reprogramming or sensor replacement. Technical service bulletins LI04-24 and EG064-21 may apply to your model. Finally, replacing your 12-volt battery can often solve the problem, especially in high-mileage vehicles. These troubleshooting steps should resolve most issues with the Depress Brake Pedal to Start engine warning.